use it again. Okay, good morning. Let's start. We will start with session number 10 today. That is how to use presentation themes, right? Now, themes are basically a predefined combination of color effects, font effects, and other effects that you can apply to the presentation. So, whenever we want to start with a presentation, we can choose any one of the themes if that theme is applicable to us, राइट। उसका फायदा क्या है, उसमें हमें रेडीमेड आपको फॉन्ट स्टाइल और कलर्स और बैकग्राउंड एंड अदर थिंग्स वी विल फाइंड already there. You just have to change them as per your requirements. So to go with this option, first of all, go to file menu and you will go to the new option, right? And in the new option you can see this is new option. Then select the themes, right? You'll find themes from here, and all these are different themes, so you can just scroll down to see other themes. So whichever themes you want to choose, just click on that and then click on this create button here, right? So this will choose one, this will create one presentation, and that presentation will be with that applicable theme. And later on, if you want to change the theme, right, you think that yeah, so the theme select की थी उसमें you don't find it so pleasant, so want to change it. So for changing, you have to go to the design tab, right? And in the design tab, there's a group called as themes group, where you'll find all the other themes also listed, right? So just choose the one that you want to apply, and then that theme will be applied to the entire presentation with the number of slides, right? Remember, there's one big difference between themes and templates, right? Templates may you will also get the text material, right? जैसे आप कुछ भी एक टेम्पलेट सिलेक्ट करते हो न्यू में जाके, तो टेम्पलेट में आपको टेक्स्ट भी मिलता है, यू गेट एवरीथिंग, स्लाइड्स के हेडिंग, उसके अंदर क्या क्या टेक्स्ट होगा, यू गेट दैट टेक्स्ट आल्सो. बट व्हेन यू गो विद थीम्स, देयर इज नो टेक्स्ट अवेलेबल, it's only the design which is available, right? So what will be the text color that will be available in these themes, what will be the background color, right? So that color combinations and all that, that design part will be applicable, not the text one. You'll not get text you have to type yourself, right? Plus one more thing we can do is that in case you want to change the color of the theme, you have selected one theme but later on you find कि इसका color combination थोड़ा different करना है. So for that we also have one option here called as colors, right? You click on the option, you'll get different kind of color combinations, right? So if you want to choose any one of these color combinations, you can change the color combination also, right? Let me open PowerPoint side by side so that we can also see how it works. Go to file, go to new, right? And see, these are different templates that you can open. यहाँ से templates में नहीं जाना, themes में जाना है, right? These are some of the themes, right? Like if you go with the this organic, right? This is the theme.
सर
Click on
हमारी स्क्रीन पर पावर पॉइंट नहीं शो हो रहा है.
PowerPoint नहीं show हो रहा. Okay.
सर बुक के पेज ही शो हो रहे
अच्छा, अब दिख रहा है?
हैं. यस सर.
चलो ठीक है. तो करना क्या है, फाइल में जाओ, न्यू पे जाओ, राइट? हमने ये जो दिख रहा है, दीज आर ऑल टेम्पलेट्स, दीज आर नॉट थीम्स, राइट? तो यहाँ थीम ऑप्शन पे क्लिक करो, तो देन यू विल सी ऑल डिफरेंट थीम्स. टेम्पलेट्स और थीम्स में फर्क ये है, टेम्पलेट्स में टेक्स्ट भी होता है, ये सिर्फ कलर और बैकग्राउंड डिजाइन ही है, राइट? जैसे ये मेडिसन, इफ आई वांट टू सेलेक्ट, तो क्लिक करो इसको और यहाँ पे क्रिएट बटन आएगा. इसके भी कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस अलग अलग हैं, जैसे यू कैन सी दिस इज लिटिल ब्लूइश काइंड ऑफ थिंग, ये थोड़ा मतलब design में थोड़ा सा color combination changes. These color combinations you can change later on also. So click on this create button, that theme will be applicable, right? Now if I want to change the theme again, go to design tab and you'll find all sort of themes there, right? और यहाँ पे कलर ऑप्शन होता है और ये रहा कलर. If you want to change the color, I want to use the same theme but उसका कलर थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है. जैसे मुझे ब्लू काइंड ऑफ इफेक्ट चाहिए या ग्रीनिश इफेक्ट चाहिए या येलो वाला इफेक्ट चाहिए, तो जो भी color format, theme will remain same, only color we can also change, right? So just click on that particular color combination that you want, right? And then that thing will be applicable, right? So that's it about themes. Let's go to the book again. Next, after this, we have change the designs of the presentation, right? If you want to change the background, then the option lies in the background style, right? See, this is the design tab, or these were the themes that we have just seen. ये color combination option था, उसी के साथ background styles option है. So if in case you want to change the background or you want to change the format of the background, then either you select any one style from here or you go with the font background option, format background option. So when you go with format background option, this particular dialog box will come up, and from here you can either put color as a background, single color, choose the color from here, from this color option, or you want a mix up of colors, then we go with the gradient fill option. If you want some picture as a background, to go with the picture option. If you want to fill some pattern kind of thing, so that is also available, right? So choose the thing that you want to apply and then click OK. Now apply to all options, right? So that particular background will be changed accordingly, whatever you have selected. So ये देखो, ये आपके gradient option है, right? Gradient options are mixing colors, mix up of different color. Preset colors होते हैं, उनमें थोड़े ये preset colors के option पे select करो, you'll find mix up of different color combinations that you want to use as a background. So choose the one that you want. और इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी आप यहाँ से, ये स्क्रॉल बार है, इससे आप कम बढ़ा सकते हो कि ब्लू ज़्यादा करना है, रेड ज़्यादा करना है, इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी इंक्रीज करनी है. यू कैन एडजस्ट इट फ्रॉम these bars over here, right? Then we can also put some image as a watermark. Watermark मतलब कि sometimes we feel जैसे कोई official document है, तो हम चाहते हैं कि भी डॉक्यूमेंट के पीछे छोटा सा लोगो दिखे, स्कूल का लोगो या कंपनी का लोगो दिखे, और थोड़ा वो लाइट कलर हो. जैसे आप देख रहे हो, ये पिक्चर एक्चुअली थोड़ी डार्क है. You will see this kind of picture here, right? This is lighter than the normal picture because this is called as watermark, which comes at the background of the document, right? Sometimes you put logos also. So to do that, we'll go with the picture color option, right? It is there in the format background only. तो तीसरा जो ऑप्शन था पिक्चर वाला, पिक्चर के कलर पे क्लिक किया और वहां पे आपको you can adjust the saturation, you can adjust the temperature, or you can say the content, the darkness of the picture. You can adjust it from here, or certain options are also there, recolor options. Recolor option में preset बहुत सारे आपको कलर ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. तो जो लाइटर वन है that you can select as a background, right? So these are two ways basically. One, you can go with preset, this in this recolor option, choose the light color image, or you can do it from these handlers here, जो आप saturation और temperature handle से आप इसको increase decrease करके थोड़ा light कर सकते हैं, right? Once the things are done, then click on apply to all button, right? So this lighter option is called as washout color. Washout option बोलते हैं ये जो light आपको दिखाई दे रहा है. Okay. Let's see the things on PowerPoint also. So this is format background option. You can see here. I'll click, and since this is 2016 version, this is not showing the things entirely as you see in the book. थोड़ा सा फर्क है, यहाँ पे अलग से डायलॉग बॉक्स नहीं है, तो यहाँ राइट साइड में एक पैनल बन जाता है. बात वही है, ऑप्शंस वही है. ये सॉलिड फिल में गए तो आपको वो कलर पूछेगा, कौन सा कलर आपको चाहिए जी, राइट. चूज अ कलर कॉम्बिनेशन, येलो एंड ऑल व्हाटएवर. देन ग्रेडियंट में गए तो इट विल आस्क यू some preset colors are available, right? Choose the one that you want to apply, right? And you can increase the intensity. As you can see, I'm decreasing the, if you move this way, brightness will increase. If you move this way, the brightness will decrease. So you can use this option, or we can go with the texture and picture option. Choose any of the textures available. These are some of the textures available. So choose the one that you want to apply in case you want it, or go to file and then search for the picture that you want to apply, right? Look for the picture wherever they are. So and then click on open to add that picture here, right? Let's I'll download one image. Fine, so I've downloaded one image which is there in the download folder. So let's see. डाउनलोड्स में गए, यहाँ पे ये इंडेक्स नाम की एक फाइल है, ठीक है जी. हम इसको एज ए बैकग्राउंड इंसर्ट करते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इमेज इज कमिंग एट द बैकग्राउंड, राइट. फाइन, सो इमेज कैन कम हियर एंड वाटरमार्क में आपको दिखाता हूँ. जैसे हम ये पिक्चर पे ही गए हैं और यहीं पे यू सेलेक्ट दैट इमेज, राइट. और यहाँ पे आप देखो ये ट्रांसपेरेंसी ऑप्शन है, इससे आप इंक्रीज कर दोगे तो पिक्चर थोड़ी ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाएगी, राइट. Let's choose this blank format so that you can see the picture also, right. आपको पिक्चर थोड़ी फेडेड सी नजर आएगी. एक्चुअल पिक्चर आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ, that actual picture is different, right. This is the actual picture, right. So this is lighter. Just increase the transparency, it will become more lighter, ठीक है. और रीसेट करेंगे तो वो ब्लैंक हो जाएगी. Then you can also put some pattern options like this. You can see these are some patterns, fine. And the color of the patterns can also be changed. Dotted lines, dashed lines, so whatever pattern you like, you can also set these patterns from this area, fine. Okay, let's go back to the book. Then we have how to arrange, delete and add slides, right. First of all, if you want to move the slides from one place to another, like if you have, let's say, 3 slides or 4 slides and multiple slides, I want to change this second slide with the third slide. मुझे ये second को इसके साथ interchange करना है. So for that, the best view is slide sorter view. Select slide sorter view, right. Go to view tab, go to slide sorter in the presentation views group, right. So in that particular order, you'll find the slides will be shown in small miniature forms, like small छोटी size में आपको slides दिखेंगी. Then to arrange them, the very simple way is you just click on the slide, move to the place wherever you want to move, and drop your mouse, right. So drag and drop is the option. And if you want to select multiple slides, then press the shift key keep the shift key pressed and click on the slides that you want to select continuously. So you can continuously move them also. Right? Let's say there are 4-5 slides you want to move to the last. So shift दबा के रखो और continuous जो 4-5 slides उनको select कर लो, वो सारी की सारी select हो जाएंगी. And if you want to random selection, you want कि second slide को और fourth slide को मुझे last पे लेके जाना है. So you select, click on second, then press Control button from the keyboard, and then click on fourth, right? So अगर ऐसे random selection करना है तो Control दबाओ, then those 2 slides will be selected, second and fourth. Then you click them, drag them, and bring it to the last point, and then leave the button there, right? Drag and drop is the option, right? So shift जो है वो continuous, or if it is not continuous slides, then we go with Control button, right? Drag and drop is the option. Deleting slides, simple hai, click on the slide, right click on the slide, there's an option called as delete slide, just click on that, slide will be deleted, right? And or if you are in slide sorter view, then just click on the slide, press the delete button from the keyboard, that will also delete the slide, right? And you'll also find this click on the slides on the slide pane, which is shown on the left side. So click on that slide pane. जैसे जो main slide के साथ में show होता है, right? So click on that slide pane. I'll just show you once after doing this. Then press the delete key from the keyboard. That will also delete the entire slide. And if you want to add a new slide, then again we have 3 options. One is go to using slide sorter view. So wherever you want to add a new slide, उन 2 slides के बीच में right click करो, and then you choose new slide option from the drop down menu, right? Or second way is go to home tab, click on new slide button in the slides group, right? Or keyboard shortcut to add a new slide is Control plus M. But before that, you must click where you want to insert the new slide, right? So mouse cursor जहाँ पे होगा वहाँ पे slide new add होगी, right? And in this home tab also, when you go with the new slide button, उसके साथ में एक drop down arrow होता है from where you can choose the layout also before adding a new slide, right? Let's see all these features in the presentation also, right? First option is, this is home tab. Go to home. I'll share the file again because I think it's not responding. Okay, let me open. Okay, fine. So let's share this file. Now we have this presentation, but it's blank. So let's add some more slides here, 2, 3, 4, 5 slides, right? And do write something. This is my school. Thanks. Welcome to my school. Goodbye. Now first let's see, if you want to arrange these slides, we'll go with the view option and then click on slide sorter, right? So we'll get the smaller size of the slides, miniature form the slides. Now if I want this goodbye to go to the end, right, or thanks also to go to the end, तो मुझे ये दोनों एक पीछे move करने हैं, तो I'll click on thanks, I'll press the control key from the keyboard, click on goodbye, then drag them, to the last, right? Last में जाके छोड़ दो, right? So this is how we can move 2 slides. And if you select shift, जैसे मुझे second और थर्ड एक साथ चाहिए, सेकंड पे क्लिक किया, थर्ड पे क्लिक किया, ये कंटिन्यूस है, तो हम शिफ्ट दबा के भी सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कंट्रोल से भी हो जाएगा, शिफ्ट से भी हो जाएगा. नाउ यू कैन मूव देम राइट स्ट्रेट अवे, राइट. Welcome you want here in the center, in on the second place, you can go with thanks I want at the end, goodbye second last. So drag and drop is the way to move the slides, right? To delete a slide, जैसे blank है इसको delete करना है, right click करो, यहाँ पे delete slide option है, इस पे click कर दो, that slide will be deleted, right? And other way to delete is आप normal view में जाइए, यहाँ पे ये slide है, इस पे राइट क्लिक करो, डिलीट ऑप्शन आएगा, या आप कीबोर्ड से डिलीट बटन प्रेस कर दो, दैट स्लाइड विल बी डिलीटेड, राइट. सिमिलरली इफ यू वांट टू ऐड अ न्यू स्लाइड, so click where you want to add. Let's say मुझे fourth के बाद चाहिए, so I'll click on here after this slide, or I'll click I want a new slide between 3 and 4, so I'll click in between 3 and 4 and then go to home. This is the new slide option, right? And there's a small drop down arrow also from where you can choose the category of the slide. जैसे मुझे ये 2 content वाली slide चाहिए, so I'll click here, so we'll get a new slide here with the 2 content option, right? Similarly, if you want to insert it in the slide sorter view also, you can go with that slide sorter view also, right click wherever you want. Like if you want new slide here, तो दोनों slides के center में आओ, right click में new slide button है, click कर दो, new slide will be added in between these 2 slides, right? So that's it, and let's wind up this point and then we'll finish up. And keyboard shortcut to add a new slide is Control+M, right? So this session is all over and we are left with printing. So I think printing, you already know how to print a file. For that you need to go to file menu, click on print, then select the number of copies, and number of copies can be selected from here. Select the name of the printer, right? And if you want to select some particular slides only, जैसे मुझे सिर्फ slide number 4 का print चाहिए, so I'll write slide number 4 in this rectangular box here, right? And there's one option called as collated. Collated का मतलब है कि if you select collated option, so it will print all the slides one by one. And then if you want multiple copies also, जैसे मुझे 2 copies चाहिए हर slide की, so and when you select collated option, it starts from slide number 1, it will go to slide last slide, जैसे वो slide 1 2 3 4 5 वैसे सारी slides का print निकालेगा, फिर दोबारा से 1 से शुरू करेगा, 1 2 3 4 5, राइट. अगर कोलेटेड ऑप्शन आप सेलेक्ट नहीं करते हो, तो वो पहले फर्स्ट स्लाइड के 2 कॉपीज, सेकंड स्लाइड की फिर 2 कॉपीज, थर्ड स्लाइड की 2 कॉपीज, जितनी भी आपने कॉपीज मेंशन करी, राइट. So this collated option is also a very handy tool in case you want multiple copies. हमें इसको हमेशा सेलेक्ट करना चाहिए ताकि one complete presentation can be printed once, then you can start with then it starts with the printing of the complete presentation again, right? So ये इसका एक फायदा है, right? So I think things are almost done. With this we come to the end of the chapter, right? So kindly do revise at home, and in case you need any kind of help, you don't find anything or you find anything problematic, then you can discuss, right? Okay.